5 tips to improve your workflow with Asana Boards. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to share 5 powerful tips to improve your workflow using Asana Boards. So, make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Start by organizing your tasks into clear columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done to visualize your workflow effectively. Use custom fields to add details like priority levels, due dates, or task owners, so everyone stays aligned and nothing gets missed. Keep your boards clean by archiving completed tasks regularly. This keeps your space uncluttered and easy to navigate. Use color-coded tags to categorize tasks by type, like marketing, design, or development, making it quicker to spot what's relevant. Set up rules and automation to assign tasks, move cards, or trigger notifications automatically. It saves time and reduces manual steps. And that's how you can level up your workflow with Asana Boards. Stay organized, streamline your process, and keep your team on track. That's all for the video.